So initially we're asked for the g of f of 2. So that means when x equals 2, what is the function value? Well, from the table, I can see that y is 4 when x is 2. So f of 2 equals 4. Now we're going to look for g of 4. So we enter the graph at 4, halfway between 2 and 6. So we're going to be halfway between 4 and 0, so that's going to be 4 comma 2. 2 is what we want. That would mean g of f of 2 is in fact 2 and can't be 8. Now we'll look at f of g of 2, meaning first thing we do, enter the graph at 2. When we look at the graph at 2, the y value is 4. So g of 2 equals 4. Now we're looking for f of 4. We go to our table, f of 4 equals 8. That means this can't be right, but d is right. Now it's asking for the equation of the line through points B and C. So as we look at our graph, B and C is just the equation of this horizontal line that goes through the y-coordinates of 4. That's y equals 4. So this would be false. This would need to say y equals 4. So that's not true. And now we need the equation for AB. Since we want line AB, we need the slope and a point. So we can use this point slope form. I even asked you to do that on the quiz. Y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Well, I'll use this coordinate right here, which has a y of 0 and an x of negative 3. And now I just need to find my slope. My slope will be my rise over run of this point AB. So if I go from negative 3 to negative 2, I'm running 1, and I'm rising 4. So my rise is 4 over 1. So I've got y minus 0 equals 4 times x minus a negative 3, or y equals 4 times x plus 3. It could also be y equals 4x plus 12. Neither of these points show up here, but let's simplify what was here. What's here is y minus 4, so I'll add 4 to both sides, equals 4 times x plus 2. If I add 4, I'm looking at y equals 4x plus 8 plus 4, or y equals 4x plus 12. That is, in fact, the point we want. If I had, in fact, chosen negative 2, 4 instead of negative 3, 0, I would have come out originally with this equation. But since I chose this point, I needed to put it in y equals mx plus b to make sure that they were both the same line. So this was a true statement. So the true statements were A, D, and F.